Hello guys! Today we're going to talk about onomatopoeia again, but this time this onomatopoeia is sounds that you might hear in a restaurant. Okay? When you're out in a restaurant, it can be a noisy place. You might hear a lot of different sounds there. So I'd like you to imagine that you're with your friends, or maybe you're alone. Maybe you're alone and you're listening to all the sounds that are coming around in a restaurant. A waiter comes by with a very hot dish. It's sizzling. Okay, to sizzle is when you see something making small bubbles because it's still so hot and maybe fried or cooked in an oven at a very hot temperature. All right. Suddenly you hear a popping sound. Now, a few things could pop in a restaurant. One of those things could be a champagne bottle, or something else could be a balloon. Maybe there's a party in the restaurant, a birthday party, and a balloon pops. All right. Another sound that maybe you don't want to hear is the slurping of a soup that someone might do, like, okay, slurp. People usually slurp a soup or slurp their coffee or their tea because it's too hot. Something else that you might hear if there are some people drinking some wine or some beer is clinking, the clinking of glasses. When two glasses hit each other, they clink. Okay, the clinking of glasses. If the kitchen is a very loud kitchen, then you might hear some sounds coming from there, like the chopping of vegetables, or you might hear dripping water, maybe from somewhere in the kitchen or from another table because they spilled a glass of something. And when you get a fresh new Coca-Cola or any kind of soda, and the bubbles are still forming at the top, you'll hear the fizzing, fizz of your drink. That's the bubbles in a soda. All right. And a very common sound that you overhear in restaurants is just general clatter. Now, I taught you clatter when I talked about sounds in a classroom. Clatter is any sound of things falling or things moving, especially hard things on a table or on the floor. Utensils, forks, knives, hitting the plates, a lot of them at the same time, they make a clattering sound. Okay, clatter. All right. Okay, guys, that's just a few onomatopoeia or sound words that you might hear in a restaurant. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. I am putting out videos often. I want to give you as much interesting information that's maybe not available in other channels on YouTube. And I'm happy to hear any comments or any of your own ideas to contribute to the channel. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful evening. Have a wonderful weekend and all of that. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.